This morning, a massive and deadly wildfire emergency.
We had 80 to 100 mile per hour gusts.
In the middle of the night, the whole neighborhood was shaking. The smoke was coming very quickly this way.
Power outages have been widespread during these devastating fires and windstorms.
But I still had electricity. Everybody else didn't. And so I was offering the house as a place to come charge your phones. I went over and got my neighbor, brought her. I threw 50-foot extension cord over the fence to my neighbors.
Hey! How are you? Nice to see you.
Scott was not only comfortable, but he was able to help protect others. And I still get a little choked up when on the phone he said, "Felicia, my system is still producing perfectly. I have full power. I rescued my elderly neighbor and I gave extension cords to my other neighbors, and I'm powering everybody."
I didn't leave the entire 10 days. It got coined that I was the electrical oasis of the neighborhood.
And tonight, many people still have no electricity.
A pitch black neighborhood, no lights, no power, and families waiting to flip the switch back on.
It was pretty dark around here. A lot of these people in this neighborhood have lost power for 9-10 days, and really a relief to not be in the situation a lot of people were in. We had all of our appliances running.
Wash the clothes and not have to worry about not having clean clothes for the next day or dirty dishes.
My kids being able to have their lights on to use the restroom in the middle of the night or have, ambient noise that helps them fall asleep. It was really reassuring, and not only for us, but it afforded us the opportunity to be good neighbors. My experience with Sunrun has been nothing short of great. Like, Branson came into our home and he gave us a big rundown.
When we were setting up the system, wanted to make sure Richard and his family had enough power. So we went with 2 batteries set up so they could have the whole home backup.
So yeah, the batteries were a very, very, very vital aspect to us purchasing the solar, and I'm 100% glad that we did it. Our power was up and running like normal, like there was no emergency or crisis going on at all. We are the Olagi family, and we are Sunrun customers.